Apex Instruments encourages you to use or perform any maintenance on this equipment safely. In this video, we may show an icon that conveys a safety hazard or risk that is associated with the operations performed. Be mindful of inherent hazards such as pinch points, sharp objects, or shock injuries.
Hey, I'm Joe Thompson with Apex Instruments Technical Service Group. I'm going to show you the functions of the membrane switch on consoles with the E170 electronics package. To gain access to the menu, we'll press and hold the previous screen or menu button for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, the menu will appear and we can scroll up or down through the menu by using the arrow buttons. If we want to enter a value in the menu, we can press the select button. If we want to escape this other menu option, we'll press the previous screen button to go back a step. And we can press previous screen again to go back another step. And we're back at our home page. If we want to start or stop our timer, the down arrow is also the timer start and stop. So pressing the down arrow once starts the timer, and pressing it a second time stops the timer. If we want to reset our timer, we press and hold the up button or reset timer for 3 seconds. Holding an additional 3 seconds will reset our dry gas meter volume. If we want to zero our sensors, we can press select and hold for 3 seconds. In our case, this will be the meter pressure. Anytime a value is reset, an asterisk will appear here in the corner.